Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Dan with Boulevard.com here to show to you a four-wheel drive, full-size pickup truck, wheelchair accessible solutions. If you have a manual wheelchair, you can equip it with the Bruno P1100, which is a box-mounted lift that's going to pick that lift up and swing that lift all the way to the front driver's position and lower it to the ground. To help with the ease of getting in and out of the vehicle, Braun has the Evo seat, which is going to rotate that driver's seat out 90 degrees, bring it all the way down for a much safer, lower transferring height.